Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. I'll try to keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. When I was looking for my work from home jobs and careers in the past, all the job boards and message boards that I used to visit always used to have people asking, what companies hire virtual assistants? How do I become a virtual assistant? Back in the day, everybody wanted to work from home as a virtual assistant, and today we have just that, a company that is hiring virtual assistants to work from home. The company is called Housecall Pro, and so they provide management solutions such as scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing, all the way up to billing and payment collection to companies such as Havoc Plumbing, Electrical, and Cleaning, and other small businesses so that they can get dispatched and provide the services that they provide, and all the administrative work can be handled elsewhere. So Housecall Pro is hiring a virtual assistant. This is in the United States. So they are looking for someone to be a part of the founding ops team of a startup within a startup. They are launching a new business line within Housecall Pro, and they're looking for motivated go-getters who want to be a part of something great. And so it shows their average daily breakdown. Now, this is going to involve phone calls. It says 60% of your day will be spent taking inbound phone calls on behalf of customers to schedule jobs and answer any customer questions. 15% of your day will be customer communication through other channels such as email and text. 10% will be working on ideas to improve the internal policies and processes and procedures. Then you may have to also make some outbound calls on behalf of customers to follow up with them. And then 5% will be spent in team meetings. They are looking for someone who has 1 to 3 years of professional experience, someone who is a high achiever, go-getter, and is willing to go above and beyond, someone who has that startup mentality and is motivated by learning and helping others. You also have to be comfortable talking on the phone since that's a big part of the job, and a team player. Now, they do offer some benefits as far as dental, vision, life, disability, 401k. They offer paid time off and paid holidays. And this position pays anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. That is going to be dependent on location and experience. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.